Choose SEVICH Biological Technology Company Limited is a company specializing in R&D, production, sales, and processing of high-end professional cosmetics. We have a professional one-stop cosmetic processing factory with a GMP-certified dust-free workshop of 10,000 square meters, producing a variety of hair care, skin care, and cosmetic products, and providing comprehensive OEM and ODM services. We have introduced fully automatic production equipment imported from Germany and Japan, using integrated machines, and have established a sound R&D system to ensure the production of high-quality products. The core brand SEVICH has successfully captured the global market with a major presence in Europe, America, and Southeast Asia, accounting for a high market share of 20% and continuously growing. Our product series includes Hair Fiber Series, Hair Styling Series, Hair Dye Series, Hair Care Series, Kids Care Series, Beard Care Series, Beauty Makeup, Skin Care Series. We have multiple product patents, superior products, and sales advantages, ensuring that our products are more competitive than our peers in terms of technology, quality, minimum order quantity, price, delivery time, and service. This allows the SEVICH to stand out in the fierce market competition. SEVICH has always adhered to the research and development concept of respect for the power of nature, and is committed to creating an industry-leading green and healthy beauty and skincare series. At the same time, SEVICH continues to innovate and expand its product line to meet the diverse needs of consumers and is committed to becoming a leader in the beauty and skincare industry. We firmly believe that integrity, customer first, sincere communication, and teamwork are the eternal principles of our company. We are committed to working closely with elites from all walks of life to achieve win-win results. We will continuously expand our business scope to meet the evolving needs of our customers and provide them with the highest quality services.